Namaskar to all. So now today we start a chapter number 11. The name of the chapter, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. We know now in this world, every like a human, a very important part is a eye. Because without eye, nobody showing this type of colorful world. Now this chapter, we have some point very easier to use from chapter number 10. Hope so. In the last time, you are showing a chapter number 10 because it is a very important chapter because that chapter considered in the section D 4 mark one question compulsory and then after others a solved question. But today we are showing a chapter number 11, so some part, some topics from chapter number 10 we are using here. So friends, now starting a first topic like a human eye. So very simple. I know, you also know, each and everyone have a very important eye. It's eye given a gift from the God. So we are also now from the eye we are showing each and everyone. But first we want care about our eyes because now we are showing in the some atmosphere. So that time we are unable to showing a clear image in outside and I now given only one time from the God. Suppose you are missing the eye, so definitely we are unable to showing this type of colorful world. So now we showing a image of this eye. This topic coming in exam like a chap 3 marks means section C. So friends, now this chapter going in the section C. So compulsory one question should become on section C and 1 and 2 questions should become for A part and the B part. So total 7 marks. Now we count here. So now this I. So each and everyone in the exam time, it is compulsory you draw a one diagram of this eye. Now first we discuss here the main part of given this eye, starting with, so first number here, it is a cornea. Suppose sometime the exam, now the 1 marks question should become one of the first part of our eye. So that time you say is a cornea. Now second main part, it is a iris. Now third point of given is a pupil. It is a one of the small hole we found in the iris. Now fourth number, crystalline lens, very important because every ray coming in our eyes and then after reflect from the crystallized lens. Now then after a very again important part like a ciliary muscles. Then after a retina, it is also a main most important part in our eyes. And then after the last, optic nerve. So seven main part in our eyes. With the help of this point, now we showing a very good worlds, pupils, colorful places, each and everything. We are showing God also with help of this seven main part. Now others part also available in our eyes. It is not the main. So which one? So first one you showing in the screen. It is a aqueous humor, and the next one. It is a one of the main not part but sometime it is a virtuous humor. So these two it is not the main. So after the image we want some written word. What is the use of cornea, iris, pupil, crystalline lens, ciliary muscles, retina, and optic nerve. So now we showing in our theory base. So now first, the human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. We know it is very sensitive. We are unable to put our finger or any one type of pain insult in our eye because it is a very sensitive. Suppose you are missing, definitely you lost your life. It enables us to see the wonderful world and the colors around us. On closing the eyes, we can identify objects to some extent by their smell, taste, sound they make, or by touch. Definitely. Suppose in our world, some person have no eyes, so they also live. They also solving object, not solving, but with the help of second thing. Which one? So it is a very simple smell because every person has nose. So with the nose, now we in the object smell, now we understood which one is taste. Very important because human coming in the world in the earth only for taste. Today we eating everything. So that time the taste also important. Sound most important. 90% percent now they want sound should become because they want some sing song, dancing, etc. Or touch. It is also sometime some object we touch and identify what is. So, however, impossible to identify colors while closing the eyes. So each every we are possible to identify, but colors. Whenever we want to identify the colors for each and every object, so definitely that time we want eyes. So of all the sense organs, the human eye is the most significant one as it enables us to see the beautiful, colorful world around us. So friends, without eyes, it is impossible whenever we showing the beautiful, colorful world in our arounds. So now this line also important in one mark. The human eyes is like a camera in our life. We have a camera in our mobiles. We click some beautiful pics. So eyes also working the same like camera. Its lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen called the retina. So friends, here the first definition, who is the retina? Again, its lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen called the retina. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the corona. Because cornea, so now light first because you saw in the eye figure first part of cornea. So definitely light entered in our eyes from the cornea. It forms the transparent bulk on the front surface of the eyeball as in our definitely we are showing in the figure. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. Very important question in your one mark question. So eyeball size, the diameter look like about 2.3 centimeter. Most of the refraction for the light rays entering the eye occurs at the outer surface of the cornea. Means cornea it is one of the most important part because so light entering in our eyes. So that time you saw it is a refraction. Most of the refraction we showing in the cornea. The crystalline lens provide the finer adjustment of focal length required to focus object at different distance on the retina. So now we discuss the next point. So we find a structure called iris behind the corona. In our figure, we showing a iris. So this iris behind the corona. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupils. The pupil regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. So one of the important like a lens because the work of lens, the eye lens forms a inverted real image of the object on the retina. The retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells. The light sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain via the optic nerves because it is important because the signals whenever these light sensitive cells get activated upon and they converting the signal in the electrical and these signals are sent to the brain via the optic nerves. The brain interprets these signals and finally processes the information so that we perceive objects as they are. So, friends, it is a very good and very important question in your exam because the question should become on this form describe human eyes with the diagrams. So, that time definitely first you draw a diagram in bigger size. Now, then have to justify all the part and then after you return the part, the use of this important parts in our life, how can possible we showing this world. So now we showing a next question of this part 1. The question is power of accommodation. The eye lens is composite of a fibrous jelly like material. Friends, here it is one of the most important answer whenever in the 1 mark question. That time you showing the eye lens is composite of a fibrous jelly-like material. Its curvature can be modified to some extent by the ciliary muscles. We know very well because lens now that exists with the help of ciliary muscles. The change in the curvature of the eye lens can thus change its focal length. Definitely. The eye lens change the curvature. So definitely that time we showing change its focal length. When the muscles are relaxed, the lens becomes thin. Here you take this line, a very important. When the muscles are relaxed, then we say the lens becomes thin. When its focal length increase, okay friends, whenever the lens becomes thin, so we say its focal length also increase. This enables us to see a distant object clear. When you are looking at object closer to the eye, the ciliary muscles contract. This increases the curvature of the eye lens. The eye lens then becomes thicker. Whenever we say the focal length of the eye lens decreases, this enables us to see nearby object clearly. So it is a very important question. Whenever we showing a near, we showing in the out is a long distance. So that time this changing in our eyes is compulsory. Whenever we found some problem regarding this one, so that time we say we are unable to showing a object like a near, otherwise a long distance. So next one, the ability of the eye's lens to adjust the focal length is called a accommodation. However, the focal length of the eye lens cannot be decreased below a certain a minimum limit. Try to read a printed page by holding it very close to your eyes. Definitely, you may see the image being a blur or feel strain in the eye. To see an object comfortably and distinctly, you must hold it at about 25 centimeters from the eyes. Because sometimes we are showing some written work, so we put a very closer in our eyes. So that time we are unable to showing a very clear. So it is possible. You put each and everything a minimum 25 centimeter from your eyes. So that time we are say a confidently we are written or we are reading a very clear because that time we maintain the distance our eyes and the reading books or anything like mobile also. Some people are very bad habit. Now they put mobile in near in eyes. So that time definitely most of problem created look like a small kids. They are every time busy with the mobile, but they are not maintain the distance between the eyes and the mobile. So their problem in the small age, in the big person also like students in the classroom, they are not put the textbook the minimum a distance of 25 centimeter and they are really uh, create some problem in their eyes. The minimum distance at which object can be seen most distinctly without strain is called the least distance of distinct vision. It is also called the near point of the eye. So for a young adult with normal vision, the near point is about 25 centimeter. Again, the same point we discussed in the before. Young adult with normal vision, definitely they want a near about minimum of 25 centimeter distance. The farthest point up to which the eye can see object clearly is called the fore point of the eye. So it is a infinity for a normal eye. You may not hear a normal eye can see object clear that are between a 10, 25 centimeter and the infinity. So friends, whenever in the normal eyes, whenever no problem in any type of in eyes, so they showing a clear object, clear image, the distance between like a minimum a 25 centimeter and then after infinity as the base a normal eyes. So friends, here we are starting with the chapter number 11 with the first part. Now starting with here, the first topic is a human eye because a very important question in your exam time. So I given some idea how to draw a diagram. So first you draw a one round with the light pencil and then after you given the shape, now starting with the cornea and then after a iris because that time you showing a some round shape and after you draw in the near cornea one of the lens and this lens fixed with the ciliary muscles. Now after you draw this such kind of a lens and the muscles, after you draw on the back side, you showing first we draw a one circle with the light pencil. So you remove some part of the back side and you showing a first retina. So retina starting from the lens and after you showing in the last two like optic nerve. It is the most important because this nerve joined with the human mind because from the here the electric contact we converting the electric conversion our signals, and then we send in our human like minds. So it is a method how to draw this diagram, because first time we showing here. First our question, how can we start the diagram? Because this diagram contains 2 marks, and 1 marks only the we retain the information about the our main parts of this eyes. So it is a very important. I give you ideas how to start and draw a diagram, and then after in your screen you showing some information and the important question like power of accumulation. Just one time you show here, and then after as per your mind you retain, definitely you given the answer in your exam time. Okay friends, so now we discuss here the first part of the chapter number the 11. Now next time we are coming with the chapter number 11, but second part. But before that, I given you a one homework. Whenever you showing the video of this one, and then after definitely you retain in your notebooks and send your homework, because you know a very important homework in the last time. Some 5 or 10 marks of the your complete the notebooks. So each and every one, now this part one, written in your notebook from this PDF file. That time you are not require any type of books, digest. You directly copy from these videos, because here I showing you a very solved form, and then after definitely you send the personal in the WhatsApp number like the Saju sir. Now they note down your homework, because the time of exam it is a very important. The sir given you some marks. Okay friends. So now we stop here. The first part definitely you enjoy here, and then after we are meet a second part in the next time. So goodbye. Stay home. Safe home.